Welcome, Kunjan. Class 2, lesson number 1. Fool. Fool means flower. Or we say suman. And we already know the name Pushpa. Pushpa is all the similar name of fool. Flowers. Flowers, another name of flowers, suman on this. Before go to the poems, we discuss the basic questions. Fool kahan kilte hain. Kilte means bloom. Where the flowers are bloomings. Means starting out flowerings. So where the flowers are flowering in the gardens and the forest, sea, mountains, etc. फूल किस रंग के होते हैं? What are the colors in the flowers are? What are the colors in the flowers are? Flowers are the all the colors except the black. काला के अलावा सभी रंग में होते हैं. बंक वाले तितलियां कहाँ कहीं मंडराते हैं. मंडराते means hovering around of the top of the object. Round top of the object is hoverings. So bangware means bees. Bees, black bees are bees. Titlian, you know, yes, titlian, butterfly. Titlian, butterflies. So where the flowers are, where the bees and butterflies hoverings. The bees and butterflies are hovering against on the top of the flowers. So these poems teach the lesson learn some things from the flowers. The poet portrait. What are the good qualities we are going to learn from the flowers? Full jagat ke hain hum pyare. We are the flowers of the world. Full. Hum प्यारे फूल जगत के. हम जगत के प्यारे फूल हैं. We are the flowers of this world. Jagat means world. रूप रंग में न्यारे. We are unique. We are unique in the different. Unique by the shape and colors. Roop means shape, rank means colors. So we are the flowers of this world, and then we are different colors and shapes. As a humans, as a child, we are the flowers of the world. So how the flowers, what is the work of the duty of the flowers? The poet says, हमारा काम है मुस्कुराना. काम means work. Our work, our duty is laughing, smiling. We always in the smiling space. Sundar as padas banana. We make that surround beautiful. Sundar means beautiful. So we make our surround beautiful. Bhayangre gana suna chahte hain. The flowers, the bees. We hear the song of bees. जहाँ हमें फूला पाते हैं. Where we can blooming up. We hear the song of the bees and where we can bloom up. So we are the flowers. We are the different in the colors and shapes. Our duty is to be smile and be beautify the surround. आप प्रेम का पढ़ते आला. Be deeply, be best. Allah means best. We learn that best lesson of love. We part. Allah prem ka part पढ़ते हैं. We read the best lesson of love. Best lesson of love. Prem means love. एक बनाते हम मिल माला. So we together break and make a garlands. We together make a garlands. Mala garlands. सदा मेल से शोभा पाते हैं. We are beautiful. We always be beautified by the gatherings. Male means gather. The gatherings only will be beauty. भेदभाव हम दूर भगाते हैं. We ride off the discriminations. भेदभाव means discrimination. be away from the discrimination differentiations. कभी कभी ना मुख पर दुख लाते हैं. We never bring a sadness in our face. Then we describe with the flowers, compare with the flowers, we to be like a flowers. The flowers till the withering place point, till the withering point, it's never show the sad face. Even it's wither, even it's dry out, its smell is before it. हर हालत में मुस्कुराते हैं. The flowers are smiling every situations. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते ये no smile. हालत means situation. Situation. Every situation the flowers are smiles. So like that we to be smile and we to be in that we are unique in the different colors and shapes and we be in a smile and we make our surround be happy, be different and we together. We together bring a make a garlands like that we to be holding together and it is a real beauty. It is always beauty in that gatherings and be rid of, be away from the discriminations, partialities, and we never show the sadness in our face, and we always smile in the every situations. So this is a poem written by the Srinath Singh. Now come to the book exercise. Jagat means sanskar, sansar world, sansar world, nyare means alag, unique, गाना, sing, खिला हुआ, bloom, प्रेम, प्यार, love, आला means best. So now रूह, shape, प्यारे, love, भयंकरे, बोंगरे, bees, honey bees like a black bees, शोभा, beauty, भेदभाव, difference, discriminations. So now come to that question answer. मौखिक वर्ग. 5 फूलों के नाम बताइए. Say the 5 flowers names. 5 flowers names. There is no place, so I am come to that whiteboard. Here I am writing gulab, rose. You know that. Yes, gulab, rose, chameli, jasmine, kamal. Yes, kamal, lotus, kamal, lotus, Suryamukhi, sunflower, Suryamukhi, sunflower, Genda, marigold, So these are the 5 fruits, flowers names. Full आस-पड़ोस को कैसे सुंदर बनाते हैं. The flowers are, how the flowers are made beautified in the surround. आस-पड़ोस, surround. So how it's it? By smiling. मुस्काने से, it's in that lesson itself, poem itself, मुस्काना से. मुस्काना से. Instead of this कैसे, you write that मुस्काना से. माला कैसे बनती है. How the garlands made up of. Garlands are made up of by the gatherings. एक बनाते, हम मिलकर. फूलों का मेल से. will say by the gathering of flowers. By the gathering of flowers. So instead of this, kaise you write that फूलों का मेल से. Next, written question answer. भैरव कहाँ गान सुनाते हैं? भैरव कहाँ गान सुनाते हैं? Where the bees are singing song. Where the bees singing songs. Bees singing songs in the gardens. कहाँ? गार्डन में, बगीचे में, वन में, वन में फूल किसे दूर भगाते हैं? What the flowers are away there? What the flowers keep away that? What the flowers keep away that? The flowers keep away the discriminations. Away the discriminations. So instead of this किसे भेदभाव, भाव को भेदभाव को दूर भगाते हैं. यह कविता हमें क्या संदेश देते हैं? What the message this lesson, this poems give us? What the message the poem give us? The message, the poem give the message as that ye to be smile always. Ye keep smile always and live together and make this surround happy, make the surround beautiful. So here I am writing यह कविता हमें सदा मुस्काना मिलजुल कर रहना. You always be in smile and to be in gatherings. That's all. यह कविता हमें ये संदेश देता है. संदेश देती है. Next, take the correct answer. फूल रूप रंग में कैसे होते हैं? How the flowers are in that shape and colors. The fools are the flowers, the रूप रंग by the color and shape the flowers are unique. न्यारे means unique. सूरज जैसे like a sun, like a bees. Bauram means bees. You know that. Suraj means you know sun. हर हाल में कौन मुस्कुराता है? Who is smiling in the every situation? हालत both are the same meaning. Situation. Hall means situations. So the flowers. Oh, see this flowers. So चित्र देखकर कविता की पंक्तियां लिखो. This is a bee, Baura. This is a bee, Baura. So the Baura lines, these two lines you copy. Yes, which is two lines. Baurangan, सुना जाते हैं जहां हम फूल पाते हैं. These two lines you copy here, this place. And there's mala garlands. These are mala garlands. The mala two lines. पाठ प्रेम का पढ़ते आलस, एक बनाते हम मिल माला. These two lines you write in the place of garlands, malas. These two lines you write the place of. These two lines you write the place of Bowran. Next one, value added questions. फूल हमें क्या क्या सिखाते हैं? What the flowers are teachers. सिखाते means teach. Teach. So you put the smiley face for that. Right ones. So मिलजुल कर here they are that third jar sign writing is miswriting. Here that the fourth jar, so write, change it. Julkar. So this is a return to gatherings, always being happy, be proud. Command means pride or proud. Don't be proud. सबसे प्रेम करो. You love everyone's. So this tick mark, you put that smiley face. This one you put the saddy face. नेक्स्ट पेज एक्सरसाइज राइमिंग वर्ड्स एक जैसी आवाज वाले शब्द लिखो. प्यारे न्यारे. मुस्काना मुस्काना. बनाना मुस्काना बनाना. आला आला माला. These rhyming words I am taken from this poem itself. Latte पाते get पाते get. Latte bring. Puli, muli, puli, muli, radish, jati, ati, come, jati, go, ati, come, dur, far, pass, near, pass, near. Dukh, sad. Sukh, happy, pressure. Sundar, beauty. Asundar, ugly. Ek, single. Anek, plural. Anek, plural. फूल हमें सदा खुश रहना सिखाते हैं. The flowers are always teach us to be happy. Teachers always be happy. अब पता लगाकर बताओ कि ये क्या सिखाते हैं. So now see this picture, below pictures, and tell us what these birds and animals are teachers. First one, Muga teaches to wake up the right times. सगी समय पर जगानी. समय पर जगाना. Wake up on the time. Get on the time. It Chinti and Meganath or Mug. Meganath or Mug. Is a Baura is a Utsa or Jos. Enthusiasm. Is it Koyal? Is it Koyal? Meete bol. Sweet talk. Meete bol. So next one, फूलों से क्या क्या बनाते हैं? What we make from the flowers. From the flowers we make it garlands, bouquets, and some things also. We think and write these names at all. Just for that word, only that scientific temper and art decorations work only. Just think it, what things we can make from the flowers, these all. So I hope you maybe understand. If you have any questions or worries, feel free, comment it. Thank you very much.